Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to troubleshoot the problem when VDI machine goes to unregistered state. I'm going to perform some troubleshooting steps in this video to fix these kind of issues. So first of all, let's go to machine catalogs and check the status of the VDI machine. So when VDA machine gets unregistered, it means that it is not communicating with the delivery controller or controller. So we need to perform various troubleshooting steps to fix the problem to make sure the machine gets to registered state. So if you check the status here of the VDA machine, it is taking a while. Okay, so if you see here, it says registration status unregistered. Okay, and the power state is on. It means the machine is on, but the registration status is unregistered. This is the most common issue you get in any Citrix environment. Machine goes to unregistered state for various reasons. So you need to troubleshoot and fix this problem as soon as possible. So let's start off with few things. Let's go to the VDA machine and see how it is running. So this is my VDA machine. Okay, so let's maximize it. So let me log into the VDA machine and see how it goes. All right. So there is some kind of bug on this particular Zen server. So that's why you see a small dot next to my cursor. So I'm having hard time typing, navigating to different options on the VDA machine. So please bear with me on this. So I am trying to log into the VDA machine. So this VDA machine is hosted on Zen server, Citrix Zen server. So this is going to be a long video. I'm not doing any editing, so I'm just going with the flow. So I would like to give some idea when a VDA machine goes unregistered. There could be various reasons. There could be various reasons. It depends upon your environment, like how you troubleshoot the problem. So the first thing what you can check is you make sure whether the VDA software or VDA agent is installed on your particular VDA machine. That's the first thing you can check. So for that, you can just go to control panel programs and see whether the VDA agent is installed or not. So which I will show that in a second. So okay, I'm on desktop. So let's cancel this. Let's cancel this. Okay, so please bear with me here. Okay, Let's check the status of the VDA agent in programs. Okay, so you see here Citrix 7.15 LTSR CU7 virtual delivery agent. So this is one thing you can check when the machine goes to unregistered. Just log in and check whether the VDA agent is installed or not. This is the first thing you can see. And then just minimize this, and next you can go ahead and check the services on the VDA machine. Okay, so I'm on services console. I'll just maximize this. Let's go to automatic services. And if you see here, Citrix desktop service, it is a service which manages communication between the delivery controller and virtual desktops. It handles initial brokering of connections, settings for connections, and interaction with sessions. So this seems to be in started state, and also the VDA agent was installed, like we checked like a few minutes ago. So, but still the machine is in unregistered state. So let's go back to the controller, just refresh it and see how it goes. Okay, the machine is still in unregistered state. You see a red colored triangle here. Let's see if we can find some hint, if it gives some hint here. So let's click on troubleshoot. So if you click on troubleshoot, what could it is giving some hint here. It says the possible issues: the delivery controller lost connection with the VDA. This may likely be caused by network disruptions. And what are the recommended actions? Verify that the Citrix broker service is running on the delivery controller and the desktop service is running on the VDA. Start if stopped. We already checked the desktop service just now on the VDA machine. Let's go back and see from the controller side if these services are running or not. So see, this is Citrix delivery controller, and if you see here, Citrix host service is up, and also Citrix broker service, this is also in started state, so there is no problem from the controller side. And what does it say? If already started, restart the desktop service on the VDA to restart the registration process and validate the VDA register successfully. Confirm the delivery controllers configure for the VDA are accurate via the details in the application event log. Verify the delivery controller and VDA successfully communicate via ping. If not, resolve any firewall or network routing issues. Okay, so what it says is if the desktop service is in started state, it is asking us to restart the service and see how it goes. So let's do one thing. Let's go back to VDA agent, VDA machine. Okay, we see that the Citrix desktop service is in started state. Okay, let's try to restart the service and see how it goes. Okay, let's restart. Okay, we have restarted the service successfully. Now let's go back to Citrix Studio. Okay, we are back in Citrix Studio. Now let's refresh and see how it goes. We have just restarted Citrix desktop service and trying to refresh the console to see if it gets registered or not. It is taking a while, please bear with me. Okay, the machine is still in unregistered state and you get the same red color triangle, and you see the same information here. So we have followed these steps. We have tried checking the host service, I'm sorry, the broker service, and we have tried restarting the desktop service on the VDA agent, but still the machine is in unregistered state. So let us check the connectivity from the controller to VDA and see how it goes. So let's check the IP address of the machine. So okay, let's go back to, okay, so this is a VDA machine. Let's, okay, we need to find the IP address of this machine just to ping and see the connectivity. So let's go back. Okay, this is IP address 192.168.160.198. Okay, this is the IP address of VDA machine. Now let's go back to controller and let's try to ping the VDA machine and see how it goes. 192.168.160.198. Okay, let's hit enter. Okay, we are able to ping the VDA machine from the controller successfully and there is no problem. And let's do it from the VDA agent as well and see how it goes. Okay, so let's cancel this. Okay, this is the VDA machine. Okay, let's close this. Let's, please bear with me guys. Okay, now this bug is creating a lot of issues. Okay, let's try to ping the controller. Okay, let's go to command prompt from here. Let's type cmd and let's go to command prompt and let's try to ping the controller from the VDA machine. So 192.168 and let's check the IP address of the controller. Okay, IP config. Okay, the IP address of delivery controller is 192.168.160.129. Okay, 192.168.160.129 hyphen t, sorry, hyphen t. Okay, we can ping the controller from the VDA machine as well successfully, but still the machine is in unregistered state. Okay, so okay, it's still in unregistered state. So we can check few other things. Let's go back to the controller and check the DNS information, DNS service information. For that, what you can do is you can type ipconfig /all, hit enter, sorry, ipconfig space /all, hit enter. Okay, if you see the DNS server of the controller, it is 192.168.160.183. Okay, it's 192.168.160.183. Now let's go back to the VDA agent and see what is the DNS server. Okay, let's stop this. Let's type ipconfig. Okay, if you see the DNS server here on the VDA agent, It is 192.168.160.153. This is different from the DNS server on the controller. On the controller, the VDA, the DNS information is the DNS server is 192.168.160.183. Okay, here it is 192.168.160.153, not 183. So what we can do is let's try to point this VDA machine to the DNS server as the controller and see how it goes. Okay, please bear with me. Oh my god. Okay, this bug. Okay, let's go to ncpa.cpl. Okay, let's right click, go to properties. Let's wait a few seconds. It hasn't still come up. Okay, now let's go to IPv4. Okay, let's point this VDA machine to the DNS server, same as controller 192.168.160.183, and let's give the alternate DNS server as 4222. Okay, now let's click OK. Let's click OK once again. I hope it has taken. Oh, let's cross check. Okay, it has not taken it has not saved it for some reason. Let's do it again. 192, 168, 160, 183, 4, 2, 2, 2. Okay, please. Okay, let's click OK. Oh man. Hmm. Sorry guys. It's a bug on Zen server, and let's click OK. Okay, so seems like we are good. Let's check the DNS server information on VDA machine to make sure if it is reflecting the right DNS server or not. If you see the DNS server now, it is 192.168.160.183. It is not 153. We have changed it just now. So the VDA machine is finally pointing to the right DNS server, same as a delivery controller. So let's go back to Citrix Studio and try to refresh and see how it goes. So let's refresh, and if you see the registration status here, it move from unregistered state to registered state. So it all looks good. Now let's try to log into storefront server and try to launch an application. So click login. Okay, this is the moment of truth. Click login. Okay, I have a virtual desktop published. Let's click on it and see how it goes. Okay, it's trying to launch the VDA machine. This is Windows Server 2012 machine actually. Okay, I think we logged into the VDA machine successfully. Perfect. So the machine is launched successfully and everything looks good. So yes guys, so these are some troubleshooting steps that we need to follow to fix the problem. So I hope you get some information from this particular video. If you have any questions and if you find this information helpful, please subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment. Thank you very much.